Uniswap value equivalent to $7.3545 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $7.3113, $7.6824. The earlier day close, $7.5158. The change was 0.16132.15%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Uniswap figure for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $8.93. Exorbitant cost $11.09, while low cost $8.93. The normal for the month $9.83. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $10.36. Change for May 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $10.36. Excessive cost $12.86, while low cost $10.36. The normal for the month $11.40. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $12.02. Change for June 16.0%. Uniswap figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $12.02. Excessive cost $13.08, while low cost $11.36. The normal for the month $12.17. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $12.22. Change for July 1.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at $12.22. Excessive cost $13.34, while low cost $11.60. The normal for the month $12.41. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $12.47. Change for August 2.0%. Uniswap gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $12.47. Exorbitant cost $13.88, while low cost $12.06. The normal for the month $12.85. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $12.97. Change for September 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $12.97. Excessive cost $16.10, while low cost $12.97. The normal for the month $14.27. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.05. Change for October 16.0%. Uniswap conjecture for November 2024. At the outset, cost at $15.05. Excessive cost $16.91, while low cost $14.69. The normal for the month $15.61. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $15.80. Change for November 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $15.80. Excessive cost $17.24, while low cost $14.98. The normal for the month $16.03. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.11. Change for December 2.0%. Uniswap gauge for January 2025. In the first place, cost at $16.11. Exorbitant cost $17.67, while low cost $15.35. The normal for the month $16.41. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $16.51. Change for January 2.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at $16.51. Exorbitant cost $17.97, while low cost $15.61. The normal for the month $16.72. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $16.79. Change for February 1.7%. Uniswap conjecture for WAC 2025. Before all else, cost at $16.79. Excessive cost $18.02, while low cost $15.66. The normal for the month $16.83. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.84. Change for spring 0.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place, cost at $16.84. Exorbitant cost $20.90, while low cost $16.84. The normal for the month $18.53. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $19.53. Change for April 16.0%. Uniswap gauge for May 2025. At the outset, cost at $19.53. Excessive cost $21.52, while low cost $18.70. The normal for the month $19.97. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $20.11. Change for May 3.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $20.11. Excessive cost 22.37, while low cost 19.45. The normal for the month $20.71. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $20.91. Change for June 4.0%. Uniswap figure for July 2025. Initially cost at $20.91. Excessive cost 24.09, while low cost 20.91. The normal for the month $22.11. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $22.51. Change for July 7.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $22.51. Exorbitant cost 25.36, while low cost 22.04. The normal for the month $23.40. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $23.70. Change for August 5.3%. Uniswap conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at $23.70. Excessive cost 23.70, while low cost 18.52. The normal for the month $21.46. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $19.91. Change for September 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $19.91. Excessive cost 24.72, while low cost 19.91. The normal for the month $21.91. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $23.10. Change for October 16.0%. Uniswap gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at $23.10. Exorbitant cost 23.10, while low cost 18.86. The normal for the month $21.34. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $20.28. Change for November 12.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $20.28. Excessive cost 20.28, while low cost 15.91. The normal for the month $18.40. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $17.11. Change for December 15.6%. Uniswap conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at $17.11. Excessive cost 17.11. While low cost 13.36. The normal for the month $15.49. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $14.37. Change for January 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $14.37. Exorbitant cost 16.14. While low cost 14.02. The normal for the month $14.90. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $15.08. Change for February 4.9%. Uniswap gauge for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $15.08. Exorbitant cost 15.0.